Hello, are you still creating Excel charts like this manually? What if Python could create a professional dashboards like this automatically in just seconds? Yes, let's build it together today. Usually managers, they don't want to see all the rows, columns like this. They want charts and insights like this. Instead of spending time creating charts every month, let's automate it. Okay. Well, we will use Pandas for reading Excel, Matplotlib for plotting charts, OpenPyXL library for inserting charts into an Excel sheet. First, let's import all the required libraries, and then first we read the Excel file. I have sales data here. See, this is sales data with month and sales. Okay, for this data I want to plot a graph. So to plot graph for that Excel, first we need to load that Excel file and save it as a data frame. Next, we'll create a bar chart. To create a bar chart, so this is a Python program to create a bar chart. Here x axis will be month and y axis will be a sales, and we have title monthly sales as you can see here. So this is bar chart, title monthly sales, y axis sales and x axis month. For this data, we are plotting bar chart and pie chart using Python. Okay. So after plotting graph, first we will save that bar chart as a sales chart. Okay. We will save it as a image, and then next we'll plot a pie chart using this program. Okay, month and sales. You can see distribution, sales distribution as a title. Here, this is pie chart, sales distribution is a title, and months under sales. Okay. So this will plot a pie chart and this will be saved as a pie chart. Now we are creating two separate images, one for sales chart for bar chart and one is pie chart.png as a pie chart. After creating these two charts as a images, then we will open the Excel file again. See, this is separate, sales data is separate and sales data with graphs is a separate file. So again we will open sales data Excel sheet and we will insert a bar chart. Previously we have saved, right, sales chart png. We will insert in a E2 column. Can you see here? This is E column, right, here, and in P column pie chart is inserted. So we are mentioning positions, bar image, this one inserting in a E2 and pie image. Pie chart is inserting into a P2 column. After inserting these two images, we are saving final Excel into a as a sales dashboard.xlsx. Then message will be printed as a dashboard created successfully. Now let's run this program and then we will check the output. Okay. First come to terminal. So I'm in documents. The file name is dashboard py dash board dashboard.py hit enter. You need to see the print message. If the program is correct, you will see a dashboard created successfully message printed here. There is some error, permission denied, because the file is open. So I will close file. I'll close both the files and then we'll run again py dashboard.py. Yes, message is printed, dashboard created successfully. Now let's check in a documents folder. Documents 657, right? See, sales dashboard. We'll check. We'll open and we'll check the output. Yes, it is created. You can see this is the sales data and this is bar chart and this is pie chart. Okay, that's it. Python has automatically created an Excel dashboard. So no manual chart creation, no copy paste, right? Imagine receiving monthly data and getting a complete dashboard automatically. Yes, this can save hours of work every month. In the next video, I will show you how to create a Power BI style dashboard inside Excel using Python with line charts, KPI cards, conditional formatting and much more. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.